Everyone, we've got a lovely question here. We want to find out the area of this pink inscribed square. We have this right triangle with sides of 3 and 4. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to label all of the vertices. So A, B, C, that's the triangle. D, E, F, G is the square. And now we're going to try find this length here, BC, which we'll call C. Most of you will see it's a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, so C should be 5. And using Pythagoras, we can show that to be the case. So C squared is A squared plus B squared, where A and B are 3 and 4 respectively. So C squared is 9 plus 16 is 25. Square root 25 gives us C, which is 5. Okay, good. So what we are now going to do is have a look at these triangles. So we've got these two triangles here and the larger one. These angles here are 90 degrees. Okay, if I have a look at angle B, so we'll just call it a yellow angle, it's shared by the large triangle ABC and the smaller one DBE. That means that this angle here and this angle here must also be the same. Now, we know that 90 plus yellow plus blue is 180, so 90 plus blue plus yellow must be 180. And also 90 plus yellow plus blue is 180, so yellow plus this angle is 90 plus blue is 180. And we know that this here angle is yellow as well. Right, so we actually have similar triangles because they all share 3 angles, a 90-degree angle, this yellow one and the blue one. So we are going to use similar triangles to try and find this length here, BE, and this length here, FC. So first things first, we will call the side lengths of the square x, and now we'll get BE in terms of x and FC in terms of x. So looking at similar triangles, we can say that BE over AB is going to be equal to DE over AC, okay, where AB is 3, DE is x, and AC is 4. So we are going to try to find this length by multiplying everything by 3. So we know that BE is 3/4 x. All right, so let's do the same for FC. So FC, this will be over AC, will be equal to GF over AB. Substituting the values, we want to find FC. So we're going to multiply everything by 4, and we know that FC is equal to 4 over 3x, and we'll add that in. Okay, so now we can set up the following equation where we would say that this whole length, BC, or 5, is equal to 3/4 x plus 4 over 3x. Okay, so we can add all these terms here. First thing I would say is just make them equivalent fractions over 12. So we would have 9x over 12 plus 12x over 12 plus 16x over 12, which would give us, oh, repeated that one, not a problem. So this would give us 37x over 12. Multiply both sides by 12 to get rid of this denominator. And so what we would have then is 60 equals 37x, because the 12s cancel out. And now to get x by itself, divide by 37. So we have x is 60 over 37. So that would be for this length over here. And obviously, because we want to find out the area of the square, what we'll do is take x and square it. So it'll be 60 over 37 squared for the area of 3,600 over 1,369, which is equal to 2.63 units to 2 decimal places. It's a lovely question. Thanks again for watching. As always, if you have an alternative solution, please be sure to pop that in the comments below. And if you do find these videos useful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.